Thank you, Mr. Speaker and President. Of course, of the ACP, because if I simply call you President, then it could be...
Always learn to qualify your statement.
Yeah, sure.
You don't go.
Yes, Mr. President, sir, and Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I'm not trying to impeach your guidance on the statement of Thursday, but I think we are leaders in this country, and we should be well educated as to where we are. And I saw my very honorable brother, the Honorable Bahat, very constrained to no end, trying to hazard an explanation. Right Honorable Speaker, from the last election, those who committed crimes against citizens have never been brought to book, including the gentleman who shot a journalist, Kasirye Ashraf. He's well known, well documented. Kasirye is exiled in the US. The gentleman who shot him was promoted. So we have to speak to ourselves, probably put a big mirror in our faces and agree as to what we are dealing with. I'm very sure the minister will come and make the usual statements. The Kawempe by-election is a rehearsal of hard times ahead of us. And I pray I will be around, Right Honourable Speaker, to remind this House and the honourable members acquainting with violence and state violence, that it will not help anybody. So whatever comes on Thursday, there's no rational explanation as to the presence of the military in a by-election. Right Honourable Speaker, I pray that if we maintain UPDF representation in Parliament, we amend the law, and the army votes their MPs from whatever they are in their barracks, and then we see the kind of democracy they exercise. So there's an explanation, and I want to invite this House, Honourable Speaker, with your guidance, that the commitment should not just be about the minister. We need to understand as a people what we are dealing with. We are dealing with an actual commission that is disempowered. They can do nothing. My brother here, Okukuba, could be frog-marched. You'll be frog-marched. You'll be beaten. You'll be disabled. The pretense must stop. If we are intentional on building a democracy, we must speak to what we are dealing with. If you don't want elections, do away with them and rule by martial law. So there's no pretense about statements. It's simply illegality, it's simply impunity, it's been incubated, it's been accepted, and people think it's the norm. As long as you have power, you are powerful, you can get away with murder. People have gotten away with murder. In fact, murder rewards with promotion. National Speaker, you ordered for the minister to come and make a statement on missing Ugandans. The days passed. It's normal. So what about beating some heads in Kawempe out of their wits? You know, break a few skulls and the day passes. It's become normal. And the House of Parliament, that's supposed to be the firewall of the country, is looking on and lamenting. So, Right Honourable Speaker, I am not waiting for the Thursday statement because I know it's business as usual. They will look at you. In fact, they think they will even sneer at the Speaker. The Speaker will do nothing unless all of us, from both sides of the aisle, say, stop this, this is our country. We shall have ourselves to blame, I'm afraid. Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you. Now